It's 11 p.m. You've spent the last 3 hours scrolling, maybe chatting with an AI assistant about your problems, or watching productive videos to feel like you're improving. You haven't moved a muscle, yet you feel like you just ran a marathon. Your chest feels heavy, your brain is foggy, and the thought of doing anything real feels impossible. You think you're lazy. You think you lack discipline. But you're wrong. In 2026, we're dealing with a new epidemic. It's not physical exhaustion. It's not even typical burnout. It's dopamine bankruptcy. And the reason you're bankrupt is that you're living in a world designed to steal your attentional currency before you even wake up. Today, we're going to talk about why doing nothing is actually the hardest thing you're doing. In the 90s, burnout came from overworking at a desk. In 2026, burnout comes from over-inputting. Think of your brain like a web browser. Every time you check a notification, respond to an AI, or skim a headline, you're opening a new tab. By noon, you have 400 tabs open, and your processor is melting. We call this decision fatigue. Even if you're just scrolling, your brain is making thousands of micro-decisions. Should I watch this? Do I like this? Should I reply to this bot? Your nervous system stays in high alert mode. You are constantly in a state of fight or flight while sitting on your couch. That's why you're exhausted. You're burning calories just trying to filter the noise. And here is the 2026 twist, the AI trap. We use chatbots to save time and feel heard. But AI is too perfect. It removes the friction of human interaction. Real conversation requires effort, empathy, and social risk. AI gives you the sugar hit of being understood without any of the work. It's like eating high-fructose corn syrup for your soul. You feel full for a second, but your social nutrition is zero. This leads to what I call digital malnutrition. You are surrounded by information and interaction, but you are starving for real, raw, offline reality. Your brain knows something is missing, and it's screaming for a break. So, how do we fix a brain that's been fried by 2026? We need to reintroduce friction. Here is my analog gap protocol. It's not a detox, it's a system. The 2-minute buffer. Before you touch a screen in the morning and after you close your laptop at night, you need 2 minutes of absolute, boring silence. No music, no AI, no smartwatch, just you and a wall. Think of it as deleting the cache of your brain. Monochromatic mode. Turn your phone to grayscale. In 2026, apps are designed like slot machines. Strip away the color, and the slot machine becomes a tool again. The 90-minute rule. Don't let the world into your head for the first 90 minutes of the day. If the first thing you process is someone else's data, you've already lost your day to their agenda. We are terrified of being bored. But boredom is the space where your personality is actually built. When you kill boredom with a screen, you kill your creativity. Taking your life back in 2026 isn't about being more productive. It's about being more present. It's about realizing that you aren't a machine that needs to be optimized. You are a human being that needs to be restored. Stop punishing yourself for feeling tired. You aren't failing. You're just reacting to an overwhelming world. If this resonated with you, do me a favor, don't just watch another video after this. Close the app. Sit for 2 minutes. Feel the analog gap. If you want to stay human in this AI-driven world, hit subscribe. We're figuring this out together. I'll see you in the silence. Peace.